Surrounded by water, the University of Miami offers a unique opportunity to study maritime law in the cruise capital of the world. Miami hosts the largest single-ship cruise terminal and all the major companies' principal place of businesses located minutes from the Port of Miami, the top cargo gateway of the Americas. Miami's robust maritime law program will provide you with a comprehensive understanding of admiralty law, marine and environmental law and policy, and the international law of the sea. The Maritime LL.M draws upon the expertise of the Rosenstiel School of Marine and Atmospheric Sciences, also known as RASMUS. As one of the leading academic oceanographic and atmospheric research institutions in the world, the school's basic and applied research interests encompass virtually all marine-related sciences. The Rosenstiel School's main 65-acre campus is on Virginia Key, Florida, just 30 minutes from the law school. Our students are taught by a group of renowned faculty members in a city that is international, dynamic, and positioned at the gateway of the Latin Americas and the Caribbean.
I can think of no better place to study maritime law than at the University of Miami School of Law. In addition to the basic private law course in Admiralty and the basic public law course in the International Law of the Sea, which is my specialty, our offerings run the gamut, from coastal zone management to marine pollution, from maritime arbitration to the constitutional law of Admiralty jurisdiction. In addition, the University of Miami hosts one of the most celebrated schools of marine and atmospheric sciences in the entire world. The law school's maritime law courses draw on their faculty as well. In addition, the wide range of courses and activities of the university are also available to our students. Miami also hosts the headquarters of the 7th U.S. Coast Guard District. It is responsible for domestic and international law enforcement, safety, and environmental protection programs throughout the Caribbean. In addition, Miami hosts the headquarters of the U.S. Southern Command. Southcom is a joint command comprised of more than 1,200 military and civilian personnel representing the Army, Navy, Air Force, Marine Corps, Coast Guard, and several other federal agencies. We regularly draw on all of these resources. The CEO of Royal Caribbean Cruise Lines is one of our maritime law program's greatest fans on the university's Board of Trustees. The leading lawyers engaged in private maritime practice are readily available to our students as their teachers, mentors, and advisors.
Whatever happens on land happens on the water. People buy boats, sell boats, build them, break them. They mortgage them, they pay their bills. Sometimes they don't pay their bills. They run into each other, people get hurt on the boat, passengers have to get on board. There may be problems, and all of these require lawyers. The legal business has a niche of maritime lawyers. It's a growing group, and we're handling all these things. There are internships with the government groups, the DEA, the Coast Guard, and of course, private lawyers. This is the place to come to it. It is probably the best port for all of these aspects. We look forward to seeing you here.
I teach a course every spring in coastal law. The coastal law course, I think, is really interesting and touches a number of different areas of law: constitutional law, property, environmental law, real estate, land use planning, all of these issues. Miami, of course, is a great place to study coastal law and climate change issues, adaptation to climate change. In the second half of the semester of that course in coastal law, we move out in the ocean and look at management of fisheries, oil and gas, and the state-federal relationship. I teach another course here at the law school. It's a joint course between the Rosenstiel School of Marine and Atmospheric Science, which is my home, and I'm an adjunct here at the law school. And that course focuses on NEPA, National Environmental Policy Act, and environmental impact statements. Has a legal focus, 100% case-based. There are a few other courses that are joint listed between the Rosenstiel School and the law school that have more of an international focus. From my perspective, because I do have an environmental perspective in teaching coastal law and the other courses I teach, I think we see much more of an interest, not only a job market interest, but also a professional interest among our students in environmental law, public interest law, environmental protection, working with NGOs. And many of our students also participate in the Environmental Justice Clinic here in the law school at University of Miami.
We invite you to explore our program at our website, www.law.miami.edu. We look forward to your application and hope to welcome you at the U.